Hello there, welcome to our channel Essential BI. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about joins in SQL Server. In this video, we will cover what is joins in SQL, types of the join in SQL, when to use the joins in SQL. So, first of all, we will discuss what is the join. Joins in SQL, a join is an operation to use the combined rows from two or more tables based on the related columns between them. So related columns means we if we are trying to combine two or more tables, so we need to find one key column. On basis of that key column, we have to apply the join. There are several types of the join in SQL Server, each serving a specific purpose. We have inner join in SQL Server, left join. Left join is also known as left outer join. Right join, right join is also known as right outer join. Full join is also known as full outer join, self join, and cross join. So we will discuss each join with the image representation, how we can perform the join, and how we can what will be the end result set of the join. So first we will discuss about inner join. Inner join is a keyword that is used to fetch the matching records from the both tables. Suppose if we have two tables, employees and department, so we want employee name along with the department. So we need to write this syntax in the joins. So here we have two tables, employees tables and department tables. So let's see how it will work. So it means like inner join means it will fetch the matching records from the both tables. So let's see how it will show. So we have two tables here. We have one database which is practice. So we have written the command use practice. So we are using that database. Now we have two tables. One is employees and second one is department. So we need to understand what are the columns are there in employees and department. So in employees table, we have employee ID, manager ID, first name, last name, full name, job title, organizational level, marital status, gender, territory, country, group, department ID. And in department table, we have department ID and name and group name. So before applying the join, we need to find one key column. So in two table, we have department ID common. So we need to apply join on basis of the department ID. Here we have taken a full name from the A table, which I have denoted employee as A and department as B. So full name is coming from the employee table and name department name is coming from the department table, and we are combining that join on basis of the department ID. Then if I will run that query, so it will give us the name along with the department, employee along with the department, and it will give us the matching records from the both tables on basis of the department ID. So let's see. I have 17 records in employees tables, and it has given us the matching records on basis of the department ID. So here we can see Stephen is belong to the engineering department. Michael is from sales. Linda is from tool design, and Jillian is from purchasing. Okay, now discuss on the left join. So let's see what is the functionality of the left join. So left join means it retrieve all the rows from the left table and matching rows for from the right tables. So here we have customer tables and order tables, and this table is left table. Customer tables we are considering as a left table, and order table we are considering as a right table. So as per uh, the left join functionality, so it fetch all the data from the left table, so that this is the left table. customer is a left table, and matching records from the right table. So if there are some matching records are available in the orders which is also existing in the customer, so we can apply the left join here. If there are no matches in the right table, then null values are returned. If the query doesn't find any matches, so it will return the null. So here in this query, we have we have taken full name from the customers. We have two tables for customers and orders. We are considering full name as customer name, ship date, and total dues as per the employee. And that order tables, some columns are coming from the orders, and ship date and total dues are coming from the orders, and we are combining that both tables on basis of the customer ID. So let's see how it will look in the SQL server. So here we have two tables, customer and orders. So as we have already explained that what it will get all the data from the left table. So here we are considering the left customer as a left table and order as a right table. So we have taken a full name from customer, ship date, and total due from the order, and we are combining that join. So we have already given that keyword left join here, and we have all specify on a dot customer ID and b dot customer ID. So if I will run that query, so it will give us the customer name along with the total due amount on the date. Okay, that data may be the duplicate. The data may be duplicate because it is taking all the data from the customers and the matching records from the order table. So now we will discuss about the right join. Right join means it retrieves all the rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. Here this is the right table and this is the left table. Employee is the left table and job history is a right tables. So if we have five records in the job history, so all the five records will come and the matching records from the employee tables. So let's see how it will look in the SQL server. So we have two tables, employees and job history here. So let me see job history. So let me see the count of job history because we are considering the right table as a job history table. So the it has the seven rows. So we have taken full name and job title. We are getting a job title from the job history table, and we are applying the join on basis of the employee ID. Whatever the employee ID uh, exists in the job history table. So let me run that query. So this query explain about the job title. Suppose Stephen is IT analyst in the company, Michael is manager, Linda is senior manager, and Jillian is executive, Garrett is data analyst. So we can find. Okay, so if you can see, we have 17 rows over there. Okay, now coming on another join, full join retrieve all the records from the both tables, and if there is no match then it will return the null values. So let's we have customer table and order table, and we are combining that both table on basis of the customer ID. So it will retrieve all the data from customer table and all the data from order table. So it will treat as the union. So let's see how it will work. So this is the full outer join. Just we need to the syntax will remain same. We need to change that join name here. So in every kind of the join, we need to apply the same syntax. So that's why I have already written that queries and then I'm trying to execute, because at the moment if I will write the query, it will take the lot of time. So that's why I'm not writing the query here. So now coming on the self join. Self join is a join that is join a table to itself. So in case of we have employee table and we want to identify the manager against the employee, so we need to apply the join on to itself. So here you can see we have considered that employee table, first we have considered as a E1, and second employee table we are considering E2. Then we are taking full name from E1 and full name from E2. We are considering one full name as an employee and one full name as a manager, and we are just applying the join on basis of the manager ID and employee ID, because that is the common key which is available in that is the key. On basis of that key we can create the join. So let's see how it will look. We can find the manager name against the employee name. So here Linda have Stephen is the manager of Linda, and Michael, Tasby, Saul too, David. There are a lot of things. Now coming on the cross join. Cross join combine all the rows from the first table with all rows from the second tables, resulting is in the Cartesian product. So we can use that cross join very carefully, because it can produce a large number of the rows, because uh, it is multiplying the rows. So here we have written that query. I will replace that query in this as well. So here we have product table and product subcategories. So we need to run that query. So it will give us the multi records. It will give us the 10,000 records. So that is combining it contains the duplicate data. So don't worry about that. So it is just Cartesian product. So those are the functionality of the joins. Hope you like the content. If you like the content, please subscribe our channel. It will motivate us, and we will upload another content, valuable contents that will add the values in your uh, professional life. Thank you so much, guys.